I can show you a world, unseen, minuscule, splendid. Tell me, students, now when did you last see yourselves inside? I can increase the size of a sample or image, cut thin, stained, and held tightly on a glass or plastic slide. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. Study how many things grow, or chromosomes, and find that deeper meaning.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I focus here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Now I see a whole new world with you.
Unbelievable sights caused by bending some light rays. Lights are sample objective through the eyepiece, then your eye. A whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
100,000
Hold my arm and
years
zoom closer.
How do I ever find how much I've magnified? I just times the objective by eyepiece. So much new to my eye.
With new horizons
Electrons
to
help us see
perceive.
smaller. Oh, now look everywhere for small stuff there.
Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world.
A whole new world.
That's where we'll be.
That's where we'll be.
A thrilling place
Science is ace
to you and me.